Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Starbucks app keep crashing, and how you can resolve that. Simply just follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just have to do that is just going to the settings section and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and you see the option of a software update. Just tap on that and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, just going to the iPhone story. Just tap on that and just scroll it down and you see the option of option and app name of Starbucks. Just scroll it down and just find the app of Starbucks. If you don't find, just have to find that. Just see the option of a Starbucks. Just tap on that, and see the option of offload app. Just simply just tap on offload app, and again download from that section. After offload app, you just getting the option of reinstall. Just simply just get the option of install. Just like that, I'm gonna tap on upload and see that I'm after uploading app. I'm gonna get the option of reinstall. Just simply just reinstall the app, and it's gonna reinstall Starbucks app again. It's not deleting my account from the Starbucks. It's going to uninstall the app and again download. So that is the main function, main thing. So that is the setting. You have to make sure that after just going back and just scroll it down and just find our transfer reset icon. Just tap on that and tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. Just simply just type a passcode and just reset the network settings from here. After doing all the steps, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just install the app and again download from that app store. Just like go to the app store and just search and Starbucks, just like that, and wait for a second for the loading. It's gonna download. See that it is downloading because I'm gonna install the app again. So that's why downloading in the section. So you have to make sure that after that settings, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just reinstall the app and again download from the app store. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.